Welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to my channel. Before I proceed, I want you to help me and do one thing. Just help me like, subscribe to my channel, and also share the video so that other person can watch. In today's video, I just want to do a brief recap on the trade that I took previously. Was it last week? Friday, and today making it 1 week. We were still on the trade, and I think that trade was the reason why I didn't upload a new video on this, because I was trying to like manage the gold trade. And I think and today the trade has hit the 100% retracement, which is about close to 900 pips from my entry. And so I just want to like recap. Already, today being Friday, I choose to call it the Red Friday. Today is a Red Friday because what the market seems to do, majority of persons might not understand. And I went online and I see a lot of reds everywhere. uh, People's stop loss were kicked out, and uh, some persons were in losses. So it's a pity. I'm just so sorry about those that lose their money, those that lose their phone. The forex market is sometimes like that. So this was the trade that we took last week Friday. As you can see, that was my entry. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, and currently now, um, some persons have started to buy. That's why I just want to do a brief recap on gold. Currently, for me, I'm not taking any trade because that is a double top, as you can see, double bottom, as you can see, and that signifies a reversal pattern. But as I said in my previous video, I'm 99% bearish on this, and 1% to the other side. And what I want to do, here, this was where I took my trade. This was where I took my first trade. This was where I took my first trade. My second trade that I supposed to took off, which I missed, I didn't take the trade, was here. I was not on my screen, so I missed that particular trade. But this was the second entry here, break and retest. So I didn't take the trade because I was not in this thing. So I was just trying to manage this first one to where the market is currently now. And immediately market get to the 100% retracement and it spike upward. Now a lot of person have started buying and thinking the market have reversed, but who knows, they might be right, they might be in profit. And currently, to me, I believe it's not the right time to start buying gold now. I'm still bearish on this. Let me just see. And my projection on this, I think if I bring my feet, if I put my feet right from here to that 100% retracement, I think gold wants to retrace back to this point, to that my ego high zone, to this 50 and the 61 percent Fibonacci region before it wants to like continue downward. So that is that on gold. That is that on gold. If it breaks above that region, maybe we might run it into some problems. Meaning maybe the market wants to reverse. Who knows? We don't know the next step. But for now, I'm totally out of the market with what I've been able to like gather, because I think this gold and cats JPY, that is the tweet that I took. That was the tweet I took. And GBP USD. I tried to take GBP USD, but it wasn't funny. It wasn't funny. I think this was the trade. I took the trade, and this one gave me about 400 pips. The cats JPY gave me about 400 pips, and currently I'm out. This was my entry. Yeah, this was my entry right here. Right here. Right here was my entry. And this point was my first. This was my first take profit. But I didn't upload it here anyway. This was my first take profit, and the 100% retracement on which the market gets into before the spike downward. The spike downward was my second take profit. So this trade was not funny at all, I'm telling you. Let me quickly recap. I think GBP USD. on GBP USD. GBP USD is a trade that I've been watching, let me say, since on Monday, but I was unable to take this trade. One, because of my equity, the stop loss. And as we all know, before I take any trade, if I'm taking a particular trade, when I take the trade, I love to place my stop loss above the previous high. Putting my stop loss above the previous high, I think I didn't have I didn't have the equity to like take that, but this where my stop loss, my entry supposed to be. This where my entry supposed to be. My take profit one where I will lock my profit is here, and here is this supposed to be my overall my overall that is my overall this my overall take profit. So, but I won't lie to you, I didn't take this trade because the stop loss was wild. It's well, the stop loss, but not because of the stop loss, because I can actually adjust my lot to suit my stop loss. It was because I was still in other trade, so of which the trade hit my stop loss, and that is cats, as in USD card. USD card. I was in USD card. I was expecting to ride USD card because that one actually gave me, I think, minimal stop loss. So I choose to go with USD card, of which USD card hit my stop loss. USD card hit my stop loss. So who knows where this thing is heading to? But currently we are just still watching. But this is my setup on GBP USD, of which, assuming I took the trade, I could have currently running on a loss. I could have, not that I lost, I could have currently running on a red. This was the trade I took, but it hit my stop loss. This trade, I was praising this trade, but I was unable to shoot a video before. Then I was like, I love this setup, guys. I love this setup. I was so, I was like, I was so sure of this setup before I took the trade, but that is how it is anyway. Most of the times, this was where I entered. I just corrected this into start hoping for a new entry, but I think I took the trade. This was my counter trend line. On the break of the counter trend line was where I took the trade, and my stop loss was actually below here, and the market took me out. So that was it. The breaks I entered, the market took me out. So I choose this trade over the GBP USD because GBP USD carries wide. GBP USD stop loss was wide that than this one, so I choose to go with this one, of which it hit my stop loss. But maybe next week I'll be looking at this GBP USD to see what might happen, and before I might like choose to like either enter this trade. Before I enter this trade, maybe I would love to to look at GPU DXY to see what DXY have to offer. If DXY is giving something nice, if DXY is giving space, is trying to show something nice, that's when I would like man jump in on the trade. But if the XY is not doing anything serious, I'm not going. I will just leave it for the month. Let the month pass. This month, this one has shows shade to a lot of persons. This month, so I'm not ready for that. So that is that. That is the little recap on the trade that I took. The trade that I took previously. So just like, subscribe to my channel, and also share the video. You can comment if you make money this week. Just comment if you lose, just let me know also. But especially on the goal projection, if you really make money on the goal projection, just as I do, just feel free to comment on the comment section and also like the video. Thank you very much, and also remember that I love you.